Hi guys, Kat here from Nerdly. Normally you'll be listening, seeing Phil, but today you've got me. We got some Pokemon cards through the post, which was exciting because it's the new range, the Furious Fists, which are out in the UK on 13th of August, which is not too long away. And I'm just going to be opening them up, showing you guys what's in these packs that I've got. So first of all, we'll start with the booster packs because they're easier. Eek, exciting! So in these packs, as you know, you get the image of the Pokemon on the front. As you can see, this is Furious Fists. Exciting. Yee. And you've got two new Mega Evolution Pokemon in this expansion. The Heracross full art one, which I'm hoping that we'll have somewhere in this pack. So as you can see, these are just regular Pokemon cards. Ooh, Lickitung, that's shiny. And what's cool about this is that you do have the fossils from, let me just try and focus this here. There we go. And new fossil cards from the Kalos regions, which is pretty cool. And just so you know that they are fighting fists. And as you can blurry see the fist logo down in the bottom corner. So you can tell that these are fighting fist ones. So, go back into it. There are 18 new trainer cards, including 3 full art rare ultra trainer cards, which I think are the gym leaders. Focus Slash. Looking forward to getting one, if I do get one in the booster packs. Hitmonlee, Karina, a gym leader, well, a supporter, and then as you can see, you get the booster pack. So let's quickly open this one. There you go, that's a better image. Focus, Furious Fists. Fingers crossed that I get a full artwork, if I can actually get into this pack. So again, you get a code, just like the rest of them. Oh, so I've got a double straight away. As you can see, I've got a few doubles straight away. Ooh, that's pretty. How cute is that? This is one of the psychic Pokemon off series 14. Currently the latest series that's being shown on CRTV. Just really cute. And as you can see, I've got half a full artwork, which is pretty sweet. That is really cool. And then more trainer cards and another fossil card. So out of those booster packs I didn't get any Mega Evolutions. Or I got one of the 5 rare Pokemon cards that's been new. Now onto the onto the theme decks. So this one is the Enchanted Echo, with one of the evolutions of Eevee, which I think is the fairy. On the back of it, it's just a regular theme deck. It lists how many Pokemon cards you get, and then down the side what the box actually includes. So as you can see, 60 Pokemon, 1 card checklist, metal coin, 2 player playmat, 1 card, deck box and damage counters. Now I've had a few theme decks before, but I'm not really one for collecting these. It's more of the booster packs that I'm more interested in, because I don't actually play the game, just collect the cards. So I'll open this at the side, so have a closer look. There's the metal coin, metallic coin even. There's the front of the card, the box in the side. Quickly open it up, so that's your play mat, which is quite big. As you can see, it's a huge play mat. Your damage counters, there's the Lucio, the Heracross, and then on the back is a list of all the cards that you can get. Oops, just knocked one flame. So there you go, that's another card to unlock the deck on the online game, and there's the card from the front of the deck. So it's just a case of opening the box up, and inside you'll have all the cards. Ooh, that's pretty. Victory Bell. To actually be able to play the game. Again, I'm not really a big Pokemon player. I play the games. Played every single game. Spent 110 hours on the blue. And then that's the theme deck of that one. And then the second deck is the Dark Hammer with, I think it's pronounced Pangoro. I hope that's right. That's what I've been calling the Pokemon. So quickly open this one. Although this one's a really pretty box, I don't want to ruin the box. There has to be an easy way to open them. Phew, finally got into it. So just like the other one, it's in a plastic case. You get 60 cards, another playmat. There's your playmat. There's your damage counters. Pokemon card list. Which crest. I've got 140 cards now. The theme deck, which is pretty sweet. And back. Card from the front of the box, and another online deck, and a pretty little coin, which is different to the other one. So we've got one blue and one silver. I like the silver one better. And then inside this deck, again, more energy cards to be able to play the game. Lickitung, which I've already got. I got the Holo version. So I'm guessing these are going to be more like your fighting Pokemons. Ooh, that's nice, that one. That's pretty. So as you can see, I'm already starting to get a lot of doubles, which is just pick of the draw really. And then look through all of these. Oh, that's pretty much it. And then a licky licky. So that's all of them quickly looked at. Again, all of these are available in store on the 13th of August, bringing more than 110 new cards to collect, I do believe. Just looking at 111, apparently in the bottom corner, is to collect. There's 2 new Mega Evolutions and 5 new Pokemon cards in total, new fossil cards from the Kalos region, 18 new trainers, booster packs, and these 2 theme decks that we've got. Hope you enjoyed watching my destroying of the boxes and showing you the Pokemon cards. See you later. Bye!